Natural light plays a powerful role in how your home looks and feels. In Fort Worth, where sunny days are common, making the most of that natural light can transform your living space into a brighter, more welcoming environment. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by installing picture windows. Known for their large, unobstructed glass design, picture windows are ideal for maximizing natural light while enhancing both comfort and style. One of the most noticeable benefits of picture windows is the amount of sunlight they bring into your home. Unlike traditional windows that may have multiple panes or thick frames, picture windows feature a single, expansive pane of glass. This design allows light to flow freely into your living space without obstruction. In Fort Worth homes, this can significantly brighten rooms, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. More natural light doesn't just improve visibility, it also enhances the overall atmosphere of your home. Bright spaces tend to feel more open, cheerful, and inviting. Whether you're relaxing in your living room, hosting guests, or spending time with family, natural light creates a warm and comfortable setting that artificial lighting can't fully replicate. It helps turn everyday spaces into areas you truly enjoy. Picture windows also contribute to the perception of more space. Their large glass surface creates a visual connection between the indoors and outdoors, making rooms feel bigger than they actually are. This is especially beneficial in Fort Worth homes where maximizing living space is important. By extending your view beyond your walls, picture windows make your home feel more open and less confined. Another advantage is how picture windows frame outdoor views. Whether your home overlooks a backyard, garden, or neighborhood scenery, these windows provide a clear, uninterrupted view. This not only enhances your interior design but also brings a sense of the outdoors inside. In Fort Worth, where outdoor landscapes can be a beautiful part of everyday life, this feature adds to the overall appeal of your home. Modern picture windows are also designed with energy efficiency in mind. While they allow in plenty of light, they are built to limit heat transfer. Features such as double or triple pane glass and low-E coatings help reflect heat away while still letting sunlight pass through. This is especially important in Fort Worth's warmer months, as it helps keep your home cool without sacrificing brightness. Reducing reliance on artificial lighting is another practical benefit. With more natural light entering your home, you'll find yourself using fewer lights during the day. This not only lowers energy consumption but also creates a more natural and pleasant indoor environment. Over time, these savings can contribute to the overall value of your investment. Picture windows are also low maintenance. Because they do not open or close, they have fewer moving parts than other window styles. This reduces the likelihood of wear and tear and makes them easier to maintain. A simple cleaning routine is usually enough to keep them looking clear and bright. While picture windows do not provide ventilation on their own, they can be combined with other operable windows to create a balanced solution. This allows you to enjoy both natural light and airflow, giving you flexibility in how you design your space. Durability is another important consideration. High-quality picture windows are built to withstand Fort Worth's changing weather conditions, including heat and sun exposure. Their strong construction ensures long-lasting performance, maintaining both their appearance and functionality over time. In addition to their practical benefits, picture windows enhance your home's overall aesthetic. Their sleek, modern look adds elegance and can increase curb appeal. A well-lit home with expansive windows often stands out, making it more attractive both to you and to potential buyers in the future. In the end, maximizing natural light with picture windows is a simple yet impactful way to improve your Fort Worth living space. By bringing in more sunlight, creating a sense of openness, and enhancing both comfort and design, picture windows offer a solution that combines beauty with functionality. For homeowners looking to brighten their homes and elevate their living experience, picture windows are a smart and rewarding choice.